Okay, so first one I want to find cosine theta equals square root of 3 over 2. Now think, if that has a square root of 3 in it, which triangle did I use?
36.
30, 60, 90. We're just going to draw two good ones there. Because it's the only one that uses square root of 3, right? So now, of course you never look at the 90 degree. I have to just figure out which angle, if I look at this angle, or if I look at this angle, which one gives me cosine of square root of 3 over 2? 30. Because cosine adjacent or hypotenuse. So that means theta was 30 degrees. However, I want it in radians. So what is 30 degrees in radians? Pi over 6. That's just unit circle knowledge right there. So I'm just going backwards. I'm giving you the value, now asking you to find the angle. Do another. Cosecant square root of 2.
Pardon this interruption. At this time, would choir students report to the stage. Thank you.
Okay, so if I'm using the square root of 2, which triangle am I looking at?
45.
45, 45, 90. So, it's kind of obvious what my answer should be, right?
I'm not giving 45.
What angle am I looking at that give me cosecant of square root of 2? 45. You haven't. That's your only choice, right? I mean, you can sit there and play around with, oh, which is cosecant, but your choice is 45, okay? You can't ever use the 90. So theta is 45. What is that in radians?
Pi over 4.
Pi over 4.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, okay.
What did you say? The square root of 4.
You go down. I know because I moved it down, I wanted more space. Okay. Tangent of theta is square root of 3 over 3. Well, what triangle am I using? The 30, 60, 90, because you see that square root of 3, correct? So I have it drawn up here, so I'm going to go back up here. What I want, tangent. Ooh. Tangent square root of 3 over 3. Now I only have two choices, right? Yes? So why don't you find the tangent of both and see which one works? Well, tangent of 60 is easy. What do I get there? Square root of 3 over 1, right? Tangent of 30, 1 over square root of 3, which will clean up the square root of 3 over 3. So yes, theta is 30, but what is that in radians? Pi over 6. You see how they can kind of trick you? It is the cleaned up version. Shouldn't trick you too much though. Sine of theta is square root of 2 over 2.
45.
Exactly. Just knowing that you have that square root of 2, correct? Tells you you're looking at a 45, 45, 90. Think about sine of either angle is 1 over square root of 2, which will clean up to be square root of 2 over 2. So theta is what? 45, which is pi over 4. Sinking in?
So if it's 45.